In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Whoop 4.0 band to your phone right here. It's pretty easy to do, but the first thing we want to do before we actually pair it to our phone is we actually want to charge our Whoop band. As you can see, I've taken it out of the package right here, and how you actually charge this is you simply just want to fold this up as if you were wearing it. And simply get this little block right here, which is actually the charger for the band. And you just want to slide this little block on, so like right here. And as you can see, it is now charging once you actually plug in this block into a USB-C cable. So you just want to plug in the block into a cable, and as you can see, it is now charging, assuming that your cable is plugged into the wall. And you basically just want to wait like 10 minutes, and it should have enough charge to where you can actually pair it to your phone. You have to have it charged, otherwise you cannot pair it straight out of the box. Next thing you're going to want to do is, once it's charged, you simply just want to take off this block again, like so. Just slide it off, put it off to the side, and you just want to grab your phone like I have so here, and you just want to access Bluetooth settings on your phone. It can be iPhone, Android, or whatever you're trying to pair it to. And you just want to get your band like I have so here, and you just want to double tap the top of the band 3 times like so and hold. Now this will enable Bluetooth pairing mode. And how you actually want to pair this thing to your phone is you just want to go into Bluetooth settings, take this off your wrist, that's how you have to do it, and just open it like so. Just open up the band and just firmly double tap right here on the band like so. Just double tap it until pairing mode is actually enabled. You'll see that there's a light flashing on the side of the band right here once you've done it a repeatedly amount of time. And once you've actually charged your band, how you want to pair this band to your phone is you simply want to download the Whoop app if you already don't have it, because you actually need it to actually pair something to it. And once you actually have the app, you just want to open it like so, log in, create an account, then you just want to click on the pair a device option. Log in, create an account, then you just want to click on the pair a device option right here. It's at the top. Just click on this, and as you can see, it will give you instructions. It'll just search for the strap, so you just want to open up the strap like I'm doing so here. It cannot be on your wrist for this part of the process. You want to open it and just tap on this top part of the Whoop band like so. Just tap it until it's in pairing mode. And if your Whoop band is not fully charged at this point, you can always do it with the charger. And as you can see, it will basically pop up with choose a Whoop band you want to pair, and you can see that's the only one in the area. And then you click on the pair option right here. And as you can see, you just want to click on the pair option right here, and it'll connect to your phone, where you click continue, and now you've simply connected it to the app. And from here, it'll just measure your data, and yeah, it's really easy to use. I've been using it for a while, and yeah, that's just simply how you set it up and pair it straight out of the box. And the great thing about this is, like, you can always just have it on your wrist and you can just charge it while it's on it. I mean, you can always take it off, but the idea is just so you can get the most data possible from you. But yeah, that's just how you set it up and pair your Whoop band.